Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this ErayLife portable fan. It's a movable fan, as you can see. Type-C charging interface, mobile charging function, battery indicator, high capacity lithium battery is built in, and we have 3 modes of LED lighting, stepless speed adjustment, and of course it's safe and it looks really cool, as you can see. It's the orange way here. You can also buy it in green, as you can see. So you can look and buy what color your favorite will be. It's an 8400 mAh battery operated fan. It's for outdoor, for camping, with light and a hook. And personal USB table fan for the bedroom, for the table, for home, for office, for a tent, or nearly everywhere it's possible, but not under the sea, of course. Powerful but quiet wind here. This camping fan uses a professional brushless high-performance motor and a continuous one-touch speed controller. It can rotate to the most comfortable with speed as needed. The well-balanced fan blades ensures that the noise is only 30 decibels. The USB fan ensures cool air circulation while ensuring us have a quiet experience without being disturbed at the same time. That's really cool because it is silent, nearly silent. The camping fan adopts the super silent design. The noise is lower than 30 decibels, which can bring us and our family a sweet night. Adapt the control knob to regulate the wind speed. It provides great cool airflow in the bedroom all night long and didn't affect our sleep or rest level. The camping fan supports stepless speed and powerful airflow refresh the air quickly to keep our earth cool. And 3 kinds of LED brightness settings for different purposes like reading and lighting are available. 4 indicator lights shows the remaining power and remind us to charge the fan. Charging you can make on nearly every USB source. That's really cool. That means you can reload it with a power bank, you can reload it on a power supply for your smartphone, for example, or you can reload it on your personal computer, laptop, and so on. This tan fan with an internal 8400 mAh rechargeable battery only takes 4 up to 6 hours to be fully charged by using the USB-C cable, which is included. It can work after this reloading continuously for 8 up to 28 hours. This brings us more lasting coolness all day long. It can also be used as a power bank. This is a special feature. No more worrying about being unusable during power outage or outdoor. And the camping fan features 270 degrees rotation adjustment, providing a cool breeze in desired direction. Equipped with hook at the bottom, the ABS hook helps to hang on the tent, maybe. As a fan can brings you inside a tent, for example, it brings you light and coolness. And it has a stable base, rubber feet on the bottom to protect our tabletop from scratches. The ErayLife outdoor fan, made of sturdy and durable ABS material, on the beach, at the picnic, or in the garden. The device is very good to use, but also on construction site too, and at work, etc. This device here makes a very good wood feature out there. Of course, it looks professional, cool. We have a portable and rechargeable fan. It supports fast charging, no matter where we are. It's giving us more lasting coolness. It is a power bank, it's a powerful wind generator, and it is an LED light source, and it comes with low noise. We have 8400 mAh battery operated fan, 8 up to 28 hours working time. 260 degrees adjustable, that means free adjustable. The 270 degrees swivel head allows instant cooling in any direction. And it's portable and lightweight. Compact size does not take up much space. Easy to put it in a backpack. No matter where we are, it will be taken in good use. And a hanging hook design is really cool. I think it's a good idea to attach this here. With the built-in hook, it can be chill and hang anywhere, except for on the top of the tent, umbrella, hammock, motorhome, etc. to ensure a cooling experience. And low noise is a good thing too, because the improved brushless motor and the special design slate ensures a strong yet wide airflow that is less than 30 decibel and does not disturb us. And brightness level are adjustable because it can be used as a night lamp. The adjustable LED lights protect our eyesight while reading and help us in emergencies such as power outages. And it's really easy to use. The wind speed can be adjusted with only one button. We can rotate the speed faster or slower and anywhere in between to meet our needs easily. Widely applicable to various occasions. This is the ErayLife portable fan here. It's the model 8106. It's a 3-in-1 device, LED, torch, fan, of course, and it is both together. Oh yeah, this is an 8400 mAh battery operated fan for outdoor camping fan with light and hook. It's a personal USB table fan for the bedroom, table, home, office, tent, and so on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon, soon.